Hey guys, si DJ Lee ito. DJ_Lee. Ayan, gusto ko lang ikwento sa inyo na nag-join ako sa Amazon Associate Program and ngayon eligible na ako para mag-earn ng commission sa Amazon. Meron akong link. So if you click that link and you shop via Amazon, there are eligible purchases that I can earn commission, just small commissions, if purchased within 24 hours. So, this is another way to earn online. Kasi alam ko, di ba, lahat tayong YouTubers, iniisip natin yung YouTube is probably the only way to earn online, but there are a lot of ways to earn online. Look into it, Amazon Associate Program. I believe there is Amazon in Canada, Europe, Japan, of course the US, and many, many more countries. So this link you can find in my website. So it's in my website, DJ Lee. It's going to be on future videos, right? I'm going to do some Amazon reviews. So take advantage. There's going to be a lot of discounts on those links. Use those links. You can PM me at Rose Ivee Macias. That's my Facebook name. And kita kits po sa DJ Lee channel. If you are interested to join the Amazon Associate Program, I can tell you how I joined, my experience. This is my third day, and so far I've had 36 clicks and 6 orders. So just wanted to share to you the good news. And so PM me if you want to communicate, if you want to learn how to earn via Amazon Associate Program. I believe they only need 500 followers. So to join the program to be eligible, you need 500 subscribers. So definitely, if nag-graduate na kayo sa Bananas, you can definitely take advantage of the Amazon Associate Program. Okay, so thank you guys. Just wanted to share the good news.